Hello and welcome to Edurify YouTube channel. So friends, it's New Year 2022. What are your New Year resolutions? Mine is to crack my NEET exams, and as we know New Year comes with new opportunities, so every one of you must be trying for one or the other exams. So are you taking help of any friend, teacher or some books to excel in your exams? I am doing my preparation along with my study buddy, and you'd want to know who is my study buddy? It's Edurify platform. Let me introduce to you with Edurify. You go to Google and type edurify.com and you will get this app. In this you are going to see the examination for which you are going to prepare. It's an AI enabled based learning platform. It covers all the exams from classes 6th to NEET, SSC, banking, railway, JEE, and they also provide live classes. Personalized learning is there. We have mock test sheets, which are n number of series. They provide attractive games and quizzes, which make your study light. I'm doing my studies with Edurify in the comfort of my home without moving out. So today I'm going to practice something. I'm preparing for my NEET exam and currently I'm focusing on my biology. Here is the sub chapter, the living world. These are the question cards. There would be 10 questions. Let's do the studies. The living word. The third name in trinomial nomenclature is species, subgenus, subspecies, ecotype. Do you know the answer? Its possible answer is hmm, yes, correct. 3. It's next. Move to next question. The suffix phyta indicates family, order, class, division. It's order. Yes, correct. Flipkart. It's what? Division. Next, two or more species occupying same or overlapping areas are sympatric, siblings, subspecies, allopatric. Let's see the answer. It's sympatric. Let's make it correct. An attribute found in plants but not animals is metabolism, sexual reproduction, autotrophy, asexual reproduction. What's the answer? Third. It's autotrophy. Let's mark it correct. That's it. Then consider the following two statements. First, in the single celled organisms, we are not very clear about the usage of the two terms growth and reproductions. When it comes to unicellular organisms like bacteria, unicellular algae, or amoeba, reproduction is synonymous with growth, that is, increase in number of cells. Both 1 and 2 are true, and I'll explain 1. Both 1 and 2 are true, but it does not explain 1. 1 is true, but second is false. Both 1 and 2 are false. So, friends, what do you say? What is the correct answer of this question? Do you also want to do your studies like this? While playing, learn the concepts and excel in your exams. Come and join Edurify. Edurify करो, पढ़ाई करो.